Here's how to create non-inventory items in QuickBooks Online, step by step. Begin in the left navigation menu and open Sales, then select Products and Services. This takes you to the list where your existing items are stored. At the top of that page, click New, then choose Non-Inventory from the item options. That opens the form used for items you sell or buy without tracking quantity on hand. Once the form is open, start with the item details. Enter the name for the non-inventory item exactly as you want it to appear on forms and in your list. If your business uses internal item codes, you can also enter a SKU. That field is optional, so it can be left blank if you do not use one. You can also assign a category if you organize items into groups in QuickBooks Online. If a category is already part of your setup, select the one that fits this item. If not, move on to the next field. If you want more detail to appear with the item, enter a description. This is useful when you need extra wording for invoices, sales forms, or internal reference. Keep the wording consistent with how you want the item identified later. Next, move to the sales information section. Enter the sales price or rate for the item. This is the amount QuickBooks will use when the item is added to a sales transaction. After that, select the income account connected to this item. Make sure you choose the correct account before saving, since this controls where the sales amount is recorded in your books. Then review the sales tax setting shown for the item. Confirm that it matches how this non-inventory item should be treated in your QuickBooks setup. If you also purchase this product or service from a vendor, use the purchasing section. Turn on the option labeled I purchased this product or service from a vendor. Once that section appears, enter the purchasing details that apply to the item. This area is optional, so only complete it when you need the item available for purchasing as well as selling. If the item is only used on the sales side, you can leave this option turned off and continue. Before saving, take a moment to review the information on the form. Check the name, any optional SKU or category, the description if included, the sales price or rate, the selected income account, the sales tax setting, and any purchasing details you added. This final review helps avoid returning later to edit the item because of a missed field or a wrong account selection. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. QuickBooks Online will add the new item to your products and services list and return you to that page. Your non-inventory item is now created in QuickBooks Online and saved in Products and Services.